In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the server error in Notion step by step, using simple and proven methods that work in 2026. If you're seeing a server error while trying to open a page, edit content, or load your workspace, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through every step in a clear and beginner-friendly way so you can get back to work without losing time or data. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. All right, let's jump right into it. The very first thing you should always try is refreshing the page. A server error in Notion is often caused by a temporary connection issue between your browser or app and Notion servers. Simply reload the page using the refresh button or by pressing Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on Mac. If you're using the desktop app, close the page and reopen it. In many cases, the error disappears instantly after a refresh, so never skip this step. If refreshing doesn't fix the issue, the next step is to check Notion server status. Open a new browser tab and search for Notion status, then click on the official Notion status page. Here you can see if there are any ongoing outages, degraded performance, or maintenance happening right now. If Notion servers are down or experiencing issues, there's nothing wrong on your end, and the best solution is to wait until the problem is resolved. Keep the status page open and refresh it occasionally. Now, if Notion shows everything is operational, the next thing to try is logging out and logging back in. Sometimes your session can become corrupted, which leads to server errors. Click on your profile icon in Notion, choose Log Out, and fully sign out of your account. Once logged out, close the browser or app completely, reopen it, and sign back in using your email or login method. This step often fixes syncing and authentication issues that trigger server errors. If you're still seeing the error, try changing your network connection. Server errors can happen if your internet connection is unstable or blocked. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or another network. If you're on a VPN, turn it off temporarily and reload Notion. Corporate or public networks sometimes block certain connections, so switching networks can instantly solve the problem. After changing the network, reload Notion and check if the page opens normally. Another quick fix is logging out and logging back in again after changing networks. This ensures Notion establishes a fresh connection using the new network settings. It might sound repetitive, but this step has helped many users resolve persistent server errors. Next, try duplicating the page that's causing the issue. Open the problematic page if possible, click the three dots in the top right corner, select Duplicate, and then open the newly created page. In many cases, the duplicated page loads without errors because it refreshes the page data on Notion servers. Once confirmed, you can continue working on the duplicated version and delete the old one if needed. Another important step is closing extra browser tabs. Having too many tabs open, especially multiple Notion tabs, can overload your browser and cause server errors. Close any unnecessary tabs, especially duplicate Notion pages, then refresh the page again. This helps free up memory and ensures Notion runs smoothly. If none of these steps worked, you can also try clearing your browser cache or updating the Notion desktop app, but in most cases, one of the steps we covered will fix the issue. And that's it. You've now gone through the best ways to fix a server error in Notion quickly and safely. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.